So all the research on performance and fulfillment tells us that we need to perform in these three critical areas, and they are work, home and relationships, and the area of self. Now, for whom is there a disconnect between what you said was most important and what gets your focus and attention? If you don't decide what's important, then someone else will decide it for you. And today is about taking control. You see, work is designed to appeal to our hardwiring. It has some specific aspects that our hardwiring absolutely loves. We have goals at work, we have short deadlines, we have urgency. I know that you want to turn up every day, crush your goals, you want to go at 100% from the moment you get to work to the moment you go to bed. You see, we understand the big things. We understand that if work's going terribly, then that's going to affect home and relationships, and it's also going to affect my zone of self. But what if work just isn't great? What if there's some things that just aren't getting done that are really nagging us? How does that affect the other two areas? It shows us that people with work-life balance actually are 2.5 times more productive than people without. It shows us that people without work-life balance spend only 50% of their time on high-impact tasks. And when we take these moments through the day, these small moments to stop and disconnect and slow down, then our stress chemicals start coming back to baseline. So who's ever had a eureka moment or an aha moment? One of those times where all of a sudden, out of the blue, pops a solution to a problem and it becomes crystal clear. Who's had one of those? Well, I'm going to show you how they work. Every breakthrough idea, every eureka moment, every insight problem solving is preceded by a moment of quiet. Without the moment of quiet, we don't get the breakthrough idea. And when we have a true purpose in each of these areas, it provides us with motivation. Because like Viktor Frankl said, with a big enough why, we can conquer any how.